What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Cargo Show. Today we are going to name this car. I have a few things in mind, but first we're gonna get it off for street cleaning because we don't want to get a ticket like this guy. Let's get in. Alright, as you may know, many YouTubers name their cars. I've been thinking because it's the Car Ghost channel to name it either Ghost or Spectre or Ride or Phantom, but that's gonna sound too much like a Rolls Royce. So if you stick around for another few minutes, I'll reveal the name by the end of this video. Also, speaking of tickets, I got 3 of them in 3 consecutive days. My inspection sticker was expired, so there was a snowstorm in New York, the car was parked, and 3 consecutive days the parking mate passed by and left each day a ticket at around 10 o'clock in the morning. Yep, 10:30, 10:15, and 9:45. And they're $65 each, and they're for the same exact thing. Expired inspection sticker. I went right away and renewed it, but I'm going to try and fight these. If you guys have any ideas on how to fight inspection, expired inspection sticker tickets, hit the comment section. Also, if you want to guess what the name of the car would be, here is the cleaning thing. The name of the car would be, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll reveal it in a little bit. Alright, I moved the car around and I parked it on the right spot. Now I'm gonna have to wait until street cleaning is over so I can get away from the vehicle, otherwise I'll get a ticket. Now, over the weekend, me and my wife traveled to Philadelphia. We stayed in a nice Airbnb room which my wife found. It had a nice bed, jacuzzi, a pretty clean bathroom, and a very nice rooftop. And the rooftop was overlooking the Philadelphia skyline, which was great. We had a lot of fun. We ate in a different restaurants, had some coffee, some delicious food, and went around Philadelphia. That makes me want to travel even more. I love traveling and I had a great experience. So when I came back, I was thinking about it and I want your input on this. Should I buy like a cheap van and maybe convert it into a camper? Would any of you like to see that? Just let me know down in the comment sections. Another thing that I'm interested in is your input on my little katana series. If you haven't seen it, you can see Christmas tree versus katana and Kudron versus katana down in the videos. I was wondering if I should continue this series, if any of you had interest in it, if it was boring. I also want your input on that down in the comment section, or more suggestions of what else to try and cut. Another new thing that I'm doing right now is I'm going on a diet. Last night I weighed myself and I was right around 190 pounds, and what I want to be ideally is 170 and maybe a tad little under, so that will be my ideal weight. So from yesterday I am on a slow carb diet following Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Body. If you haven't heard, if you're the 2 people in the world who haven't heard of Tim Ferriss, he's a great author. He wrote the 4-Hour Workweek and 4-Hour Body, also 4-Hour Chef, and a few other magnificent books. Actually, I'll link the 4-Hour Body down in the descriptions. If any of you have problem with weight or want to gain more muscle, it is super simplified and it's a great read. I have read it like about 3 times already, and last time I was on it for 3 weeks I dropped like 12 pounds. Diet, I'll update you on the diet as well. Alright then, now it's time to reveal the name of the car. And what I'm thinking of naming my Mercedes-Benz E350 is Slate. Slate is going to be named after its original Mercedes-Benz color, Slate Gray. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you like this short little video update. I'll see you in the next one. If you did like it though, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come.